If you're using online dating apps and you're not getting as many matches as you like, you might like this video. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's just say you're on a few dating apps and you're just not getting the response that you want. What do you think is going wrong? I'm going to give you a couple of tips today that I've seen from just some really common mistakes that you can fix to get better matches. Starting with filling out your profile. So you'd be surprised by how many profiles I see that are just incomplete. And by incomplete, I mean someone will just slap a couple of photos in there. It doesn't seem like they put much effort into it and leave the profile description blank. What this does is it gives people nothing to go off of when you just have pictures, because pictures can only say so much. And if you only have 1 to 2, it's really hard for a person to gauge just an idea of what kind of person you are. And with online dating, there's so much competition. There's so many other profiles. So if you don't give them enough to work with, they will just keep swiping, okay, and move on. And it's nothing personal just because you haven't given them information. You've given them nothing to work with. Number 2 is, if you want to get more matches, have a range of pictures that show off your life. I get sent a lot of online dating profile pictures, and it's just, you know, of people, selfies in a nondescript background. So it's just plain. There's nothing going on. What you want to do is have these pictures give an idea of what your life is like. So what do you like to do? Do you walk your dog every day? Have a picture of you and your dog. Do you like to go out hiking? Have a picture of you out on a hike. What do you love to do? Who do you love to spend time with? Have pictures of those. This then gives you an idea of what it would be like to date a person like you. So a picture really tells the story. So you want your pictures to all tell a story. So here's the formula. You want a picture, your main profile picture of you to be, you know, from your chest up. That way people can see your face, no sunglasses, no hats. Then you want the next picture to be a full body one, just for people to gauge your height and, you know, just to check you out, because when you check someone out in person, you scan from top to bottom, right? So it's the same thing you want to emulate in online dating. So you want a full body picture. Then what you want in your third picture is one where you're really in your element doing something that you really love. And what this is I don't like people taking selfies because it doesn't really represent what they're like naturally. So have another person, a friend, take a candid photo of you in your element. So you're comfortable, you're happy, and people can see what you're like when you're just radiating happiness and fun. Then in the next few pictures, you kind of want to do the same, but maybe in one of them you bring in your best friend or you bring in your family members, people who are really close to you, people that you care about. Then have another picture where it's like a good conversation starter, and maybe it's with you on some ridiculous cliff, or you in front of an Elvis impersonator, whatever you like, right? Just so that someone can look at it and spark a conversation. So again, what you want to do is tell a story and give people an opportunity to start a conversation. Number 3 is give them something to talk about in your profile. So what people, how people go through online dating apps is they'll look at the picture, and if they like what they see, they'll read the description. So what you want to do is when they read this description, capture their attention and have them reply to you or leave a comment. And initiate conversation. So something you can leave could be, you know, an open-ended question, or a riddle, or a challenge, or, you know, say you love to dance. In your online dating profile, you could say, if you're into this, message me and challenge me to dance off. You know, something like that, just to get the conversation going. It's not easy for someone to initiate a conversation, even online. So you want to give them as much ammo you can. So I hope these tips are helpful to you. Try implementing a few of these and let me know how you go. And if you want more reviews of dating apps I'm currently recommending, I will leave some links below. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.